opportunities yesterday. I were talking to him after the round. He felt his at the golf course. Yeah, I noticed now that he really didn't hold him. Dealing with us or at all with
El Pedro es el bueno. Yo hacía el negocio con ese primario. El dueño.
¿Qué onda, primo?
Jimmy.
Mejor pégame la derecha.
Jimmy, y no viste que yo no conozco a los trabajadores.
No.
¿Ah? Viste que yo no conozco a los trabajadores, yo conozco a los dueños, ¿va?
Yeah. The main people, though.
Que dan más trabajo.
Do business with this.
Y eso que no miramos a nadie ahí, Jimmy. Mira,
We didn't see nobody from LA.
el hijo de puta del Chan cuando me mira así, me abraza, me
Hey, where
levanta.
was that for anyway?
Y llegaba una hora y me
They're probably
levanta.
gonna. Hey, they're probably gonna be there tomorrow. Fool.
Come on, Jesse, y me agarra así, come on, Jesse, come on. Y jalo con un chavo.
Hey, y el otro, that fool that makes a lot of noise, fool.
I don't like that motherfucker.
Nobody likes him.
That motherfucker's a hypocrite, and I tell you why he's a hypocrite.
¿Sabes?
Pelame
Ese güey solo a mí.
Take the shot from me, fool.
A David no lo quiere.
Who? Hey, it wasn't that. Didn't you work for him?
That motherfucker's straight. That's why he don't like him, because he don't go bullshit. That fool. I don't like that motherfucker. Ese güey me cae mal por la antigua.
A mí se me quiere un dar.
Search stores. I love going to